Hello everyone, myself Dashanas. I'm pursuing my study at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today, I'm here to explain about the application layer protocol. At first, we're gonna learn what are application layer protocols. Application layer protocols are the type of networking protocols which are used for communication between different programs on network devices. They define the conventions and formats that programs use for exchanging data and interacting with each other over a network. Examples of application layer protocols include HTTP, FTP, SMTP, and DNS. Some common application layer protocols. HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocols. This HTTP is used for transmitting web pages and other resources over the internet. And second, it comes the HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. That is encrypted version of HTTP to provide secure communication over the internet. And next comes with the FTP, that is the file transfer protocols. This FTP will enable the transfer of files between a client and server on a computer network. Next, which comes the SMTP, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This SMTP which handles the sending, receiving, and relaying of email between mail servers. Next, which comes the IMAP. It is Internet Message Access Protocol, which will enable email clients to retrieve and email messages for a mail server. Next comes with POPs 3, Post Office Protocol version 3, that enables email clients to download email messages from a mail server to a client device. There are other two, that is the DNS and SSH. That is DNS, which stands for Domain Name System, and SSH, which stands for Secure Shell. Some common applications on layer protocols. First, that is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which is used as a key protocol for data communication, and it is also commonly used for web browsing. Next, the common application layer protocol, that is the second one, that is FTP, that is File Transfer Protocol, which are primarily used for exchanging files over a network such as the internet. Next comes the third, that is SMTP, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This SMTP, which is used for handling the transmission and delivery of mails. Next, which comes the fourth one, that is DNS, that is Domain Name System. This DNS, which is used as a responsible for translating domain names as IP and addresses. Some common application layer protocols. In this, some common application layer protocols, there are three types of layer protocols, that is FTP, SMTP, and DNS. In that first, that is FTP, which stands for the file transfer protocols, will also enables the transfer of files between a client and server on a computer network. And the second, that is the SMTP, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This, which is used as the handles the sending, receiving, and relaying of email between mail servers. And the last, that is the DNS, that is Domain Name System, which is responsible for translating domain names to the IP addresses. Next comes the email protocols, that is SMTP, email transmission. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP) is an Internet standard for email transmission. SMTP is used to send messages from one mail server to the another to deliver messages to individual email clients. SMTP is part of application layer of the TCP or Internet IP protocol. How SMTP works. The sender email client connects to the sender's mail server using SMTP. The sender email client provides the recipient's email address, the subject, the message body to the mail server. The mail server looks up the recipient's mail server's address using the domain name in the recipient's email address. The sender mails connects to the recipient's mail server using its SMTP. The sender mail server sends to the email to the recipient's mail server. The recipient's mail server delivers the email to the recipient's email client using a different protocol such as IMAP or POP3. IMAPE, Mail Retrieval Internet Message Access Protocol, is an Internet standard protocol used by clients to retrieve and email messages from one mail server. With IMAPs, email messages are kept off the mail server and that's been accessed for multiple devices. IMAP is part of application layer of the TCP or IP protocol. Next comes the POP3, that is email download, that is Post Office Protocol version 3. It's an internet standard protocol used by email clients to retrieve images, messages server with Post Office Protocol version 3. Messages are downloaded to the clients and usually deleted from the server. It acts as a part of the layer of the TCP or IP protocol. Now it comes to common application layer protocols. At first, that is the HTTP, that is the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which will enables communication between web browser and web servers. Next comes the FTP, that is the File Transfer Protocols, which use it for the uploading and downloading files from server. In this, there are similarities that are common application layer protocols. SMTP is the main common layer, that is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, which is used for the facilitates the transmission of email across the internet. Now there are four types of common application layer protocols. That is, in this common layer application layer protocols, there are SMTP, DNS, Post Office Protocol 3, and Internet Message Access protocols. In that SMTP, which stands for the Simple Mail Transfer Protocols, which are primarily for sending and receiving emails, and DNS, that is a domain name system, which resolves domain names or to IP addresses. That is the POP3, that is the Post Office Protocol 3, retrieves emails from the remote mail servers. Next comes the Internet Message Access Protocols, which retrieves and manages emails stored on a mail server. Common application layer protocols. There are four common application layer protocols, that is HTTP, FTP, SMTP, and domain name system. HTTP, which transmits web pages, FTP, which exchanges the files, and SMTP, which handles emails, and DNS, which resolves domains names. At last, that is conclusion and the next step for application protocols. That is the future exploration, future research and development to enhance scalability and adaptability as technology advances. And the second, that is the industry collaboration, engage with industry leaders to share best practices and drive innovation and network protocols. Thank you.